Hey, so this is the next step at getting you guys started on your weaving project. You should have just inserted the photo, or not your photo, the sheet of paper that has your letter behind your strings. If you followed along in class last week, you should already at least have one or two strings that go all the way across. If not, I'll just kind of quickly show you what you need to do. You need to take the end of your yarn. Okay, make sure this is pulled so it goes about halfway. Just tape it on the back. This just keeps that string out of the way. And then you thread your needle. Remember, if your strings are super frayed and it is difficult to get all the little frayed edges through, most of you should be able to kind of get this through the eye of your needle. Okay, but if not, don't forget the little torn paper trick that I taught you guys. Take a tiny piece of paper, fold it in half around your yarn, and then take these two kind of open edges right here, stick them through the eye of your needle, and pull it all the way through. Now, if you don't have your embroidery needle for some reason, you lost it, you forgot it, you're not sure it, you can still do all of this over, under weaving, and at the end, after I get this next row done, I'll show you how to do that. But once this paper, or once your yarn is taped to the back, all you do is start at the side, you go under, over, all the way across. You need to pull your yarn all the way across every single time you go over, under. Now I'm going to show you how to go back the other way. And to weave, this is all you do. You just go back and forth, over, under. The most important thing is you take a look, as always do the opposite of where you left off. So where I left off, I went under this string. So as I go back across, I want to go over it and then under. So I should always be doing the exact opposite of what I did before. So just take this. And like I said, I think it's a little bit easier to do with the embroidery needle. For me, at least, it's a little bit faster. So just over, under, over, under, all the way across. Pull your string all the way through every single time. Okay, always keep all your string on the front. The only thing that goes on the back is your little cut string that you have taped. And then we pull this, just pull it so it fits snug against the string, but you don't want to pull the string in so that it pulls. These strings should still go all the way perfectly up and down. And then I do the same this way. Once I pulled that all the way through, I left off going on top of the string right here. So now as I go back through, I go under and then over. And this is it. This is what you guys do for the 15 minutes that's set on your timer. Just keep weaving back and forth. And yeah, weave for 15 minutes. Now you want to fill in your background. So for example, I've got this R. I take all these strings and scrunch them up, but I keep weaving all the way until I get to this top line. Okay, so fill in this whole section at the top, and then just keep pushing this, push your strings all the way up, nice and neat, and push them together so that we don't see your white lines anymore. So you should be able to knock out a good amount of rows here. Those of you that don't have a needle, all you do is just lift your strings, every other one, and pull this across. And again, skip a string, always going over and under. So as you can see, it takes a little bit more time, but you can still do the whole project without a needle, as far as this step goes. And that's it. So that kind of explains how you do the weaving. This is what I want you guys to do at the end of 15 minutes. When your timer goes off, go ahead and stop, reach a stopping point, and use your Chromebook, insert a photo into the presentation so I can see the after photo and how much you've accomplished today. If you have questions, let me know. Either reach out to me in the Google Meet or email me. Otherwise, good luck. And I look forward to seeing how much you guys accomplished today.